No, for this special unboxing, we have a special guest. Wanna present yourself to the camera?
You already know, baby. The best DJ. No, it's me, George, Giovanni, aka the best, aka the dopest.
Alright, that's enough. So today we got like I'm pretty sure you guys have seen a couple videos in YouTube about this off-white dunk hype. There's a rumor that the last people that get exclusive access have a better chance to get like the 15. And I'm pretty sure I was the last one because look how late I am doing this video. But,
maybe, hopefully, if they didn't swap your shoes.
So yeah, I haven't given the number because I want to do it in video. But this box came like this. Like that.
Yeah.
A little bit open, so.
Somebody took a peek.
Kind of concerned, and maybe they took a peek and they're like, oh, it's a whack number, and they just left it.
I personally like the white ones. Joe wants to get the black ones.
Well, no, my favorite is the white ones, actually.
Oh, okay.
But I know I don't have a chance because those were like the first few exclusive access, I think.
But it'd be kind of dope if you get the black ones because
they're more rare.
They're more special, yeah.
Have you heard why he did the whole thing?
No.
So I saw like this other YouTuber doing this. Ooh, the box is cool, dude. So like the reason why is like his quote was like finding the gray area between white and black, and like all the gray dunks are like the gray areas between the white one and the black one. Isn't that like a cool ass quote?
I think that is cool. Can I open this now?
How are you gonna open it?
Damn,
Alright,
it looks
so
tiny.
we got the box. The box is tiny. You know, a bunch of holes. I've never seen a box like this, too.
Me neither. I wonder why it has tape on it. Does it come with that?
This probably only has tape so that you can take it off and use it as a pulling thing. But the other holes, I thought they were gonna be like
open,
but no, they have like a little plastic.
I know, get to the shoe down here.
Alright, it says Nike Sportswear, blah blah blah, style number. So the color isn't shown here. I think it's shown here.
Don't look at it. Just take a look at the box.
Alright, he's right. Alright.
Let me see. What is the black one down? Oh,
okay.
Let's see.
Oh, this is like a.
I fuck with it.
Oh, this is yeah. Okay, so not the black pair.
It gives me like pastel.
Not number 15. But I was like,
another one.
I was thinking, I actually wanted suede. I wanted suede.
You want suede?
Yeah. But the leather's clean. The leather's clean. I was just nervous because some colorways are kind of like really whack.
I like it. One of my favorite colors is pink, but for some reason this pink is different.
It's like too girly, maybe.
It's like a girly pink.
That's what I'm kind of feeling too.
I'm not really digging so much the pink laces.
I actually like the pink laces because it has like the teal touches and the little orange thing.
It's like almost like a fuchsia kind of pink.
No, fuchsia is like purple.
I don't know. It's a weird pink.
Alright, let's see the number. I haven't seen this one in any YouTubers.
Number 9 out of 50.
Oh.
It says
number
right there.
9 out of 50. And I haven't seen anybody else open this colorway. I like them. This gotta be kind of hard to wear because the pink, yeah, and like the orange.
I mean,
and to my luck, also, yeah, like exclusive access. Like if you get it, you still have to be quick because the sizes do sell out quick. And
this is my favorite pink, so I don't know if you could see it.
They probably can't see it from the back there.
Yeah, you can see it. Kind of like that pink is the pink that I'm talking about. Let me see. Let me compare it to the shoe.
That's almost the same pink. That's more like a salmon.
Oh yeah, you see, this is what I'm talking about. See, this
Dude,
is
actually cool with that.
This is softer pink.
That.
This is softer pink, and this is like a stronger pink, but it's not like super dark. I don't know. That's just me, bro. But if they would have put this pink, like the Travis Scott pink.
That would have been nice.
The Travis Scott pink
that would be better. I don't know if you've seen him. He's like from British, and he got 2 pairs, and he got like the teal with purple, which is really cool.
Yeah, I like the one with the teal laces.
But then he got like this navy with red laces. That was terrible.
No. Really? Navy with red. I don't know. I just think you got one of the cool colorways.
I did. I think I did.
And the pink is not horrible. It's just like I can still do it because I like the pink vibes, but
I feel like
that's
it was
the only thing.
definitely more for like a girl.
Like from 1 to 10, how much you give it?
I haven't seen out all 50 pairs, but I think
I rate this shoe.
Go ahead.
I rate this shoe from 1 to 10 like a 7.5.
I was thinking
7.5, almost 8. Like it's not bad.
no, I
It's
feel
not
like
bad.
compared to the other ones, I'm gonna give this an 8.
Yeah.
I'm happy with it itching.
I give it 7.5. But you know, one thing's for sure though, that is dope, super dope.
Was super dope.
That you can wear this with a lot. Like I was saying, like maybe you can even wear this with what I'm wearing. Like fuck it, like not super matchy, but because it's like a neutral gray.
I
So
feel like I'm not gonna wear them like right away. I should do.
or you can just use them as trait bait. You know what I mean? Like just.
I'm thinking that because they are a little bit small.
Just kind of like exchange it for something that you really want, maybe.
I think the only way I could wear this was like sockless or like really thin socks.
Let me check what they're going for right now.
Yeah, check 9. Check 9. And because I know like the gray ones are usually going for like 3 something to 400, and then obviously the black and white are going for like a K, I think. But the box is really unique.
Shit, hit him with the outfit, maybe.
On feet,
Well,
but then
we're
I'll
gonna
be,
see if you can fit
you know.
on him. You know what I mean? If
Alright,
you don't fit on
on
it,
feet.
if this on feet, it fits. If it didn't fit, there's no on feet. Peace.